we're here at Z1 Motorsports. Well, we're at Road Atlanta with Z1 Motorsports. Everybody's got the rig set up and everything. A couple of cars are going on track. I have no idea who I'm gonna ride with. All right, now we got Kyle and Bella being strapped in. Take care of her, Kyle. Okay. You always do. I know you're good. All right. All right. Are you making poopy pants yet? You scared? No. No, you're okay. All right. All right. And now we're gonna get the ride in the 800 horsepower Subi. Kind of just checking around the track. But yeah, so Kyle's gonna show me around Road Atlanta, so that way we can kind of get an idea of what we're getting ourselves into. Because I do plan to get on a track eventually. Dude, this thing is super nice, bro. Yeah. Like, bro, this is 800 horsepower, but this thing looks like dailyable too. Yeah, thanks, man. This is did you just say thanks, man? Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. All right, wait. All right. This is nice, bro. This thing is like, he's trying to take Kyle's trying to take your credit.
I told him he could drag it.
This looks nice, man.
So there's a couple spots that are cool to see if you get a chance to see, and then also it's cool to see from outside to look at the track and then you're like, oh, that's why this corner feels this way or that way or whatever. It's 10A, 10B, and then 11, 12. A lot of cool spots to watch from or take pictures. So right here, if you watch from here, you can watch the braking zone and then they come through. A lot of people get slippery here. Yep, you can see, you could watch me spin right there. And then this other side is really cool because you can watch the cars going down 11, 12. Okay. I think there's a spot on the far side of the track to watch from, otherwise right here. You know, and there's parking lots on all these locations. So if you drive your car over,
okay.
Pick it.
This thing is actually really cool, man. This is my first ride in a Subi. And it's not, Subi noises intensify.
That walkway down there behind the Chevy sign, I like watching. That's the other place where I said walk to, because you can watch cars come up this hill.
Okay.
But here you can watch them come down the S's and then pass.
So this is a turn where pretty much everybody crashes. Don't get on the gators because they're slippery.
Well, this one, this is 5, and you know 10A is slippery right now too. Yeah, just stay off the gator. It's really slippery today.
This is where everybody.
Florida man, this.
Yeah, the good reference. Right. Oh, so it's finally my turn to get the ride with Kyle. Dude, I'm too big for everything. All right, I'll be right back.
I think it's universally accepted yellow lap right now. I think. Okay. So I don't think it's happening. And then we'll reflag around next time.
on track. Oh snap, all up in your face. How do you feel? Would you want to do this? Would you drive on track?
Yeah, just not yet.
Not yet. Wow, weenie. Thank you, dude. That's always a lot of fun, man. So you know what's funny? You drive like how in Mexico, you drive just like that. So like riding with you, I was like, oh, this is very comforting.
Oh, okay,
it's soothing.
Mexico, yeah.
But
Back roads of Mexico.
Yeah, of course. But next time we go, I want to definitely be on track, and you got to be my instructor. Does that sound fair?
All right.
Okay.
I'm an instructor first, but.
Instructor. It's all right.
All right, well,
dude, his car is so fun, man. And there's almost nothing in here, but I love this car. This guy has the biggest balls. See, now just every time I hang out with Doug, I always get into some activities, but now we're gonna go film him doing some drifty stuff. So let's just have some more fun. Sean, Doug, this is right up your alley. Y'all better kill it. Y'all better have some fun.
I'm scared.
I like that Wonder Bread too. Come on, Doug. There it is. Oh. Yo. I'm not much better. I don't know why I'm laughing, bro. Doug would probably be way better than me, man. Man, what the heck, Doug? This is right up your alley, bro. And you look like you're getting smacked by the water.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, I can't. like it's like your windshield gets covered. Next thing you know, you see that thing in the middle. I'm like, oh shit. And then the car, I was trying to snatch second. Car didn't want to catch second for nothing. And finally it caught that last couple of times I went around.
That looked awesome, man. Every time I looked at you, like when you got hit by the sprinklers, your face was just like, show him how it's done, Sean, all right? Show how it's done, all right? Go, Sean, go, I believe in you. How's he gonna do this? Okay, Sean. Okay, Sean. Okay, Sean. Right hit the sprinkler. Never mind. You nailed it, though. It's better than Sean. Don't say that, because I'm going on next. Boy. Oh my Lord. What is going on? It sounds great. There it is. Okay. There it is. He figured it. It's every time you guys get hit by the water, you're like, oh crap. We work at Z1, what are we doing? My turn to fail now. Everybody's got their time to fail. It's gonna be, bro, I don't even think I'm gonna do it. Watch, I just hit the center thing.
I think the VLSD has been locking up as good as yeah, clearly. I think the ball front tires are playing a major part.
It wasn't pushing. It was like, it literally was just spinning one wheel. Like I would kick it and I could feel the like, what is happening?
It used to lock up real well, but it's also got almost 100,000 miles on it and never had a diff fluid change. So.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you so much. All right, you ready?
No.
Fuck it. We're going the other way. Okay, I'm trying my hardest. That's the sad part.
I just like it so
Oh my god.
Ow, I can't.
I'm watching you like fall towards me. Oh my god, dude.
Stop laughing.
Bro, I can't breathe.
Get a hang of it.
Oh.
Hanging out there. It's a lot harder than it looks.
It is, dude. I'm not even lying. Oh man, dude. Hey, I give my props to drifters, bro. Y'all, dude, that is a lot harder than it looks, man. Oh my god. Let's talk about how this woman's like, stop. I'm like, dude, I'm trying my best. Fuck.
So bad.
It was so bad. Stop roasting me. I'm doing my best. Oh my god. First of all right, from a guy that was probably the best one out there. How stupid did it look from the outside? Like, just get him off. There was like 2 moments, yeah.
I was like, oh snap, he got it, he got it.
But then you were right, because there's like 2 spots that are super slippery. I was like, oh, I got it. Nah, I'm dying. I'm like doing 360s all over the place.
That one time you did like the full 360 and maybe like another one.
Yeah.
I was like, oh snap.
I was like, I'm out here Tony Hawking it, man. I'm like, damn, bro. So I got a higher respect for drifters, dude. Like, I've always liked drifting, but now that I know how hard it is. Oh god. Alright, Sean, I apologize for roasting and Doug, you too. I respect drifting so much more now. Like, dude, it is not for me. Dude, this girl, like, since I don't have a seatbelt on the passenger side, bro, she looks like she's falling into my armpit, dog. Like, she's smelling me. She ended up over the center console. I'm like, why are you here? I'm like pushing her back. Like, that was too funny, bro.
I really wanted to wait around and wait to see that Mazda do it.
Nah, I just wanted to get out of there. I was like, I've embarrassed myself enough. I just reviewed the footage and there's one part where like she's just holding on for dear life and I'm crying, bro. She's just you just see the camera just go thump. I killed her.
I should have pretended like I snapped my neck. Just like,
oh my god, bro. I am no driffologist. I don't claim to be one. But drifting might not be my thing, dude. I'm sorry for almost killing you.
oh my god.
I hope your parents don't watch this.